if you are able to work on the default and make it fit your family, then we can modify your child custody agreement, your possession schedule, your visitation schedule, whether that's summer visitation, spring break, or maybe your regular week-to-week visitation. Just because the state has a guideline doesn't mean that it fits you and your family. Child custody agreements look a lot different when a child is 2 than when they're 12. You may already have an agreement, but the other person doesn't always follow that agreement. Be very careful of those handshake deals. Many times you'll have a court order and then you just agree to do different things. That's great if you and the other parent are agreeing, but get it in writing. That doesn't need to look like a certified letter. It can be a simple email. It can be a text message. It can be something that just documents the fact that you agreed to change the visitation. Also, get a big calendar with big spaces that you can write in. If you're having difficulty with the other parent about visiting with your child, make a record of it. Keep a dialogue of what is going on with little notes on a calendar. A journal is more difficult to show the court, and a calendar is very visual. If you go to pick up your children for visitation and you're being denied access to your children, make a record of it. One of the easiest things to do is knock on the door, and if no one answers, wait a while, and then go around the corner and buy a soda or a pack of gum at the convenience store. Keep your receipt. It has a time and a date on it. It's very simple evidence of you were in the neighborhood at the time and place you were supposed to be, and no one was there like they were supposed to be. These are just some simple ways that you can document and create evidence for your case. So put your words into a calendar. Put your words on a receipt. Those are very, very good evidence, and they make your words, when it's a lot of he said, she said, more reliable. So for more strategies on how you can get your possession that you deserve, sit down with a family law attorney. We'll work out a strategy that's just right for you, and we'll get the visitation that you have. And if you don't have an order, you need to have one so that everyone knows where they're supposed to be and how they're supposed to act. So give me a call and we'll talk about what your case has in it and what your life has in store for you. Don't be afraid to ask the questions. I'm Kimmy Wright, the Wright Attorney.